Alright guys, so today me and Josh were very busy with getting free materials. We got all that all in his car. We did a couple trips. We put it all in his car because we don't have a truck. We got cinder blocks. We got quite a few good looking pallets, like they're clean. Look at that. Look how pretty those pallets are. We got some of these. What are they? 2x2s, 2x4s, whatever they're called. And then this big. And it's crazy because somebody actually stole a lot of our material that we couldn't fit. Somebody came and swiped it all. So we had to go to a different site to get the rest of the stuff that we got. So, but we're gonna try and build something with this. So let's see what we can do. To show you the coop and the run. We worked very hard. It took us a while to do this, but here is the run. I know we'll tweak it as the chickens come in and we see how they act in it and what we need to do, but for the most part it is completed. So this is the run with their little ladder and hole to get in. This is their coop, and so you go on this side. And we will have a lock right here so no one can get in and disturb the chickens. So you open it up, and this is their inside. And then we have little air holes throughout as well. And then we'll just have to winterize it when the winter comes. Right now we are debating whether we are going to box out that and add the nesting boxes, or just get the ones you attach internally and just attach them in there from like Tractor Supply. But here are their roostings. We did 3 of them, and then this made it easier. We can just clean it out this way. Made a little lip over here so we can just get it all out, and had 2 doors to open. So, and then we have a little, let me show you if I can show you this way. We do have overhang right here, so that way no matter the weather we can still come out and clean it. So, and we put shingles on top, tilted the ceiling a little bit. So here it is, completed. I mean, I know we're gonna tweak it as time goes on, but I mean, for newcomers, I think we did pretty good. Like, high five to me and Josh, huh? I'm impressed with our skills and lack of knowledge that we did. We just did a bunch of research. So here it is. So before you guys get chickens, I highly recommend you do your research, because there is a lot to getting chickens, and it is not a cheap process. So luckily for me, my husband was able to, everything that we built that coop for the most part was 100% free material. Just the run is what we had to pay for. So I mean, roughly we probably spent about $100 in total for this coop and run, and a lot of labor of love as well went into this. Many days. My dad even came out and helped us. So it was definitely an event, and it was worth it. And we're about to put the chickens out in it now. So stay tuned.